Good morning and assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your teacher from the Educators FM campus. Students, today we are going to solve the exercise on the workbook. So, take out your workbook, turn on to page number 14, chapter number 3. Thank you, Wright brothers. Okay now students, look at the first one, read the poem carefully and answer the questions that follow. This is your story. We have to read the story and after that we can answer the questions. How often we wish for another chance to make a fresh beginning, a chance to blot out our mistakes and failure into winning. It does not take a new day to make a brand new start. It only takes a deep desire to try with all our heart, to live a little better and to be always forgiving, to add a little sunshine to the world in which we are living. So never give up in despair and think that you are through, for there always a tomorrow and the hope of starting new. Okay students, after reading this, you will came to know that we all have another chance to correct our mistakes. हम लोगों के पास हमेशा एक चांस होता है जिससे हम अपनी गलतियां सुधार सकें। ऐसा नहीं है कि कभी आपने कभी भी कोई भी गलती की हो तो उसको सुधारा ना जा सके। नहीं, जब आपको लगता है कि आपने कोई गलती की है और आपको उसको सुधारना चाहिए तो आपको उसी वक्त उस पर अमल भी करना चाहिए। Read it. It does not take a new day to make a brand new start. आपको एक नया स्टार्ट लेने के लिए दूसरे दिन का इंतज़ार करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. It only takes a deep desire to try with all our hearts. आपको सिर्फ अपने अंदर ये इरादा करना है कि अब मुझे ये काम सही तरीके से करना है. And believe me students, आप वो काम बहुत अच्छे तरीके से कर सकते हैं. Okay, now after reading this story we will going to solve our exercise. Students, now coming toward the exercise, state whether the following statement are true or false. After reading this story you will came to know that which statement is true and which statement is false. Solve this by yourself. Okay, now look at the second one. Complete the following sentences. To make a new start we need dash. We need a deep desire to try with all our hearts. Number 2, we must never despair because we know there is always a tomorrow and a hope of starting new. Okay, now moving toward the page number 15. Find 2 words each in the poem which rhyme with the following words. Number 1 is spinning, winning, beginning. Part, start, heart. Giving, living, winning. Grew, new, due. Okay, now coming towards the second one. Tick the correct spelling in each list. Balloon, balloon, balloon. Balloon. So the second one is the right one, so we will take this one. Experience, experience, experience. Which is the right option? This one. So we will take this one. I hope now you get it. Fill this by yourself. Coming towards the next one, use the words from the help box to complete the following compound words. Class, what are compound words? When we join 2 words and it form a new word, that is called the compound words. जब भी हम 2 अल्फाजों को मिलाएं, 2 लफ्ज़ों को मिलाते हैं और जो नया लफ्ज़ बनता है उसे आप कहते हैं कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, न्यूज़ पेपर. न्यूज़ पेपर. व्हेन वी जॉइन न्यूज़ विद पेपर इट विल बिकम द न्यूज़ पेपर. बाथ रोब, बाथ रोब. दीज आर योर एग्जाम्पल्स. ओके, नाउ लुक एट द थर्ड वन. एयर प्लेन, एयरप्लेन. टूथ पेस्ट, टूथपेस्ट. बास्केटबॉल, basketball. Eyelash, eyelash. Rainbow, rainbow. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Okay, now moving toward the page number 16. Circle the words in the box that have verb Then use those verbs to complete the sentence below. These are your options. What is verb? Verb means action. Verb का मतलब होता है काम, उसको आप कहते हैं verb. We all had to dash and say cheese to the picture. हम सबको क्या करना चाहिए? हम सबको smile करना चाहिए. We all had to smile and say cheese to the picture. She likes to dash through the hall of the school. Run. I tried to dash over the large puddle. Jump. My aunt wants us to dash in the school play. Sing. Chef Junaid will dash the pancakes when they are ready. Eat. Maham will dash if she can't find her new toy. Cry. I can't wait to dash with the new markers I bought. Draw. We will bake a cake, decorate it, and then dash it, spoon it. Okay, now coming towards the second one. Write the past form of the irregular verbs given below. Become, became. Catch, caught. Fall, fell. Feel, felt. Find, found. Know, knew. Say, said. Tear, tore. Write, wrote. Swim, swam. Filling the blanks with the correct type of adjectives, hints are given below. She had a dash ribbon in her hair. Adjective of color. So we will write the color here, and the color is red. My father gifted me a dash ball, big ball. I have bought dash apples for lunch. Adjective of quantity, few. Now do the rest of the exercise by yourself. Okay, now adjectives can be used both before a noun or after a noun. Adjectives जो है वो noun से पहले और noun के बाद कभी भी यूज़ किए जा सकते हैं. Fill in the blanks and complete the sentence with appropriate adjective. The noun are underlined. I have 2 dash sandwiches. I have 2 cold sandwiches in my lunchbox and a piece of dash cake, chocolate cake. Mother will be dash if I am not there. Mother will be upset. Haris is very dash. As a result, he topped the class. Haris is very intelligent. He was the dash player in our team. He was the best player in our team. The clothes worn by the prince were always dash and beautiful, bright and beautiful. Now coming towards the comparative and superlative. What are comparative and superlative? Positive degree, no comparison. Comparative degree, comparison between two person or groups. Comparison, मुआजना किसी भी ग्रुप या इंसान के दरमियान, इंसानों के दरमियान. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, कंपैरिजन बिटवीन मोर देन 2 पर्सन्स और ग्रुप्स. अब सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में क्या है? कोई भी कंपैरिजन करना किसी भी 2 ग्रुप्स या 2 से ज़्यादा ग्रुप्स या पर्सन्स के दरमियान. गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. कोल्ड, कोल्डर, कोल्डेस्ट. मच, मोर, मोस्ट. स्ट्रॉन्ग, स्ट्रॉन्गर, स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट. बैड, वर्स, worst. Okay students, now this was the end of your class. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.